Welcome to the Top Best. The Best Healthy Food book is probably one of the most important resources for anyone looking to improve their diet and overall well-being. This book is packed with delicious recipes, practical advice, and insightful information on how to make informed food choices. Whether you're a seasoned cook or a kitchen novice, this book provides the tools and knowledge you need to create a healthier and more vibrant lifestyle. Number 5. Well-plated cookbook, fast, healthy recipes. Are you looking for a cookbook filled with fast and healthy recipes? This book is packed with delicious meals that are easy to make. It's perfect for anyone who wants to eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. This cookbook offers a variety of quick and easy meal ideas. It includes recipes for breakfast, lunch, dinner, and even snacks. You'll find something for every occasion, all designed to be both healthy and satisfying. Making healthy choices has never been easier. This cookbook simplifies healthy eating with clear instructions and readily available ingredients. It's a great resource for anyone wanting to improve their diet. These recipes are not only healthy but also incredibly tasty. You'll find yourself craving the meals again and again. It proves that eating well doesn't mean sacrificing flavor. Get your copy of this cookbook today and start your journey to a healthier lifestyle. It's filled with recipes that are both fast and healthy, making it the perfect addition to any kitchen. Enjoy the delicious meals. What we like. This cookbook offers quick and healthy recipes. It provides a wide variety of delicious meals. If you're looking for a cookbook that helps you get dinner on the table fast without sacrificing health or flavor, this is the one for you. What people say. The book provides a lot of information about healthy eating. It contains many delicious and easy-to-follow recipes. The book is well organized and easy to read. Number 4. Healthy Meal Prep Cookbook, Easy and Wholesome Meals. Are you looking for a way to eat healthier without spending hours in the kitchen? This cookbook is your solution. It provides easy and wholesome meal prep ideas. Inside, you'll find a variety of recipes designed for meal prepping. It includes everything from breakfast to dinner, ensuring you have healthy options all week long. The recipes are designed to be simple to cook and easy to prepare in advance. This means you can grab a healthy meal and go, saving you time and effort. This cookbook focuses on wholesome ingredients and balanced meals. It's a great way to improve your diet and overall well-being. Get ready to transform your eating habits with this cookbook. It's the perfect guide for anyone looking to eat healthier and simplify their meal times. What we like. This cookbook focuses on easy meal prep. It provides wholesome meals that are ready to grab and go. If you are a busy person who wants to eat healthy without spending hours in the kitchen, you should consider this. What people say. This book is wonderful for people like me who want to start eating healthier and delicious. It have a lot of recipes healthy and easy. The healthy meal prep tips and principles are smart and practical. Recipes are labeled to indicate dietary restrictions and preferences that apply, i.e., dairy-free, gluten-free, vegetarian, paleo, vegan. Number 3. Meal prep for weight loss, weekly plans and recipes. Are you looking to lose weight in a healthy way? This is the perfect solution for you. It provides weekly plans and delicious recipes to help you achieve your goals. This program offers detailed weekly meal plans. They are designed to make healthy eating simple and effective. Discover a variety of tasty recipes. They are all created to support your weight loss journey while satisfying your taste buds. This program focuses on sustainable weight loss. It emphasizes balanced nutrition and healthy habits. Take control of your health and start your weight loss journey now. It's time to embrace a healthier and happier you. What we like. This cookbook is specifically designed for weight loss. It offers weekly plans and recipes to help you achieve your goals. If you're looking to lose weight in a healthy way with a structured plan, this is the perfect choice. What people say. The book provides a wealth of information on healthy eating. It includes practical tips and advice on meal planning and preparation. The recipes are easy to follow and use readily available ingredients. Number 2. Downshiftology Healthy Meal Prep, Gluten-Free Cookbook. Are you looking for a cookbook filled with healthy and delicious recipes? This book is packed with over 100 make-ahead recipes and quick assembly meals. It's perfect for anyone who wants to eat well without spending hours in the kitchen. This cookbook offers a wide variety of recipes that can be prepared in advance. This means you can enjoy healthy meals even on your busiest days. It simplifies meal planning and saves you valuable time. Need a meal in a hurry? This book includes recipes for quick assembly meals. These meals are designed to be ready in minutes, making it easy to eat healthy even when you're short on time. It's convenient and efficient. This cookbook is entirely gluten-free, catering to those with dietary restrictions or preferences. It provides a wealth of options for those seeking gluten-free meals. It ensures everyone can enjoy the recipes. With this cookbook, you'll learn how to prepare healthy meals efficiently. It's a guide to making meal prep easy and enjoyable. It empowers you to take control of your diet. What we like. This cookbook features over 100 gluten-free recipes. It focuses on make-ahead meals and quick assembly. If you have dietary restrictions or simply prefer gluten-free options and want to save time, this cookbook is ideal for you. What people say. The book provides a lot of information about healthy eating. It has many useful recipes. The book is well organized and easy to follow. Number 1. Easy 5-ingredient healthy cookbook. Are you looking for a way to eat healthier without spending hours in the kitchen? This cookbook is your answer. It features simple recipes with only 5 ingredients, making healthy eating easy and enjoyable. This cookbook is packed with recipes that are quick to prepare. You can whip up delicious and nutritious meals in minutes. It's perfect for busy weeknights when you want something healthy and fast. Forget bland diets. This cookbook proves that healthy food can be incredibly tasty. Each recipe is designed to maximize flavor with minimal effort, making it a joy to cook and eat. Start your journey to a healthier lifestyle with this cookbook. It provides you with the tools and recipes you need to make positive changes. It's a simple way to improve your well-being. This cookbook simplifies healthy eating. It offers a variety of recipes that are both easy to follow and incredibly delicious. It's the perfect guide for anyone looking to eat better. What we like. This cookbook simplifies healthy eating with 5-ingredient recipes. It makes healthy eating delicious and accessible. If you like simple recipes and want to enjoy healthy meals without a lot of fuss, you should consider this. What people say. Each recipe also gives you serving size and nutritional facts, and whether it's freezer-friendly, a lot, gluten-free, vegan, dairy-free, paleo. The recipes really are very simple, easy to follow, and extremely tasty. I have limited storage space and prep area, so having to only concentrate on 5 basic ingredients is a plus. There are no weird ingredients to find and the prep time is minimal and doesn't require unusual tools of any kind. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.